little duckies.
6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat one's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack.
Can you go quack, quack, quack?
Back from the river they would come, wibble wobble, ho, hum, hum. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. 6 little ducks that I once knew.
Good morning, friends. This morning we are going to make a dragonfly clothespin craft. If we were at school this week, we would be discussing and having fun talking about pond life. But since we're not, we're going to make a little dragonfly so we can enjoy that part of it since we can't be at school. So first you're going to need clothespin, a couple of pipe cleaners, a couple of markers, or more than that if you want, some glue, and a couple of little plastic googly eyes or some small buttons, or you can just draw your eyes on if you like, whatever you choose. So first, you want to get your markers, and you want to draw either little circles on the outside or maybe some stripes. Just mix up your colors a little bit. I'm going to do a stripe and a circle because we're decorating dragonfly's wings. Mix it up. Have some fun. Dragonflies have pretty colors and very wide wings. They're very fun to watch. Okay, then you can turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. So next, be sure to close up your markers so they won't dry out. Next, you want to get your pipe cleaners and twist them at the bottom there. Make like a little wing. And straighten them out a little bit. Take your clothespin, open it up, see? And if you wanted to, you could glue that in there if you want to on the inside. You can if you'd like. Then you want to get a little glue and put a little dot right there and right there. Stick on either your buttons or your googly eyes, or you can draw them. It's up to you. So you're gonna wanna let that dry for a little while. And then once you do, you have your little dragonfly and you can fly it around the room and have some fun with it. But anyway, I miss you guys and I hope you'll have fun making your dragonfly clothespin craft. Talk to you later.